So we all want to be more productive. We all want to get more stuff done in less time. But how? In this Whiteboard Wednesday, I'm going to share with you my traffic light tactic to help you be more productive. Hi, I'm Sam from Firewave, and I'm going to talk to you about the traffic light tactic. So I want you to look at everything you're doing during your working day and during your working week, and actually arguably month and year, and work out, are you actually spending time on the right things? Or are some of the things that you're doing, should they be done by other people? Or should they be done by an outsourced company, for example? So let's have a look at some of the things that you might do in the course of your daily work life. Val follow-up calls, feedback calls, styling, photoshoots, viewings, listings, AML. I could probably quadruple that and it probably still wouldn't be everything that you do in your normal working life. But should you be doing it all? And I'm going to suggest that you shouldn't. So I want you to traffic light. Now, as you can see, we don't have an orange on this lovely smart TV. So that's your orange, that's that blue. And what I want you to do is I want you to categorise all the tasks you're doing as either M, D or G, which stands for maintenance, delivery and growth. Now, what should you be doing? Well, most of your time should be here in growth because that's what's making the boat go faster. There are going to be times where you need to spend some time in delivery, and certainly Phil and I did when we first started Ashdown Jones. We spent way too much time in delivery doing some of the things that are here, like photoshoots and styling, to make sure that we understood how to do it so we could delegate and train other people to do it. Now, Phil and I only do growth. We do none of the maintenance and the delivery tasks. So let's look at some of these tasks here and let's just categorise them, shall we? Should we say a Val follow-up call? I think that's growth because I think that is quite a highly skilled job that you should be doing because you've been out with the Val in the first place. So the Val follow-up call and any kind of chasing to try and get the instruction is growth, really. I can't see anything else that's growth on there, can you? It all looks to me like maintenance or delivery and not growth. So that's the only thing on there that Phil and I and you do or should be doing. So let's look at the delivery stuff. Viewings is delivery, so we're going to give that a D for delivery. Listings, we do the AML, it's a mixture between delivery and maintenance. So the delivery department sometimes delegates it to the maintenance department, so you could say either. But arguably, the delivery department is responsible for AML. Photoshoots, that's delivery again. Styling, delivery again. And feedback calls, although again it's the delivery department's responsibility to make sure it happens, actually the person who does it is usually maintenance. Unless the person that's done the delivery, like the viewer, thinks that they're going to be the best person to get the feedback call or to make the feedback call, really we delegate that down to maintenance. So that's how that looks, and as you can see there's only one element that's growth and nothing else is. So can you delegate everything on your list that's not growth? In fact, can you colour code your day like this and see what proportion of it is growth and what proportion of it is delivery and what proportion of it is maintenance? Because the very easiest thing to delegate is maintenance. It's quite easy to find somebody who can do the kind of maintaining jobs in the company, things like answering emails, answering the phone, making sure you've got, I don't know, toilet roll and printer paper in the office. They're all things that can be done by somebody that of an admin level that don't require any particular skill to be able to do those. Delivery requires a considerable but more higher amount of skill. So viewings, styling, listing the property on Rightmove, those kind of things, that does require an extra level of skill, but not necessarily your level of skill. And then growth, as I said, the thing that makes the boat go faster, that's down to you. So you're the captain of the ship, you need to know how to make the boat go faster, and therefore all the growth tasks need to be taken over by you. So that's how really to use the traffic light system to make sure you're spending time on the right things. So have a look at your day or your week or your month or however long you want to monitor your time over, and monitor the tasks you're doing and then colour code them. And let's see what colour your tasks are. Now, these are the kind of tactics that we teach our Firewave members all the time, and if you'd like to know more about becoming a Firewave member, all you need to do is go here, fire-wave.co.uk/start, find out if your area is available. We have lots and lots of client events. We support our clients in so many ways, including training exactly like this, although obviously much more in depth. So we would love to welcome you as a Firewave client. First of all, go and find out if your area is available, and let's chat. Bye for now.